Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Ngasidi yam nungaiba video ama namjarake. Aigi title subtitle ga kanoga ubiraga di khangbiramani aina namdo video se karige matangno hakana ngasiju DIY gi anoba video ama porakchare kai matangno hakana smartivity gi microscope sabagi ko. Ado microscope sabagi video se akhoi punna unboxing taraga yengminar se kamain taraga sage se aduga aigi video je hauzik phawagi manungda nungaibi tar like, share and subscribe to ba kaubiram gono sumain to ba nungai ba DIY video adagi blog adagi aigi dogs mayam ga time spend to ba aduga atoba video mayam ama ai hapka charake ado mayam gi support yamna darkar oi ado mayamna support to biba kaubigano aduga yari makai friends and family da share to biyo aduga subscribe amam namhan biyo aduduna aingonda yam hena motivate oijagani ado mayam unboxing to bahaujarage aduga yengminarsi kamaina sage kamaina tauge habdo aina ai wakhanda yam nungai do male aduga yamna hongba mamanda sumaina kai gumba sije ya taraga di yam nungai gani na khalle aduga yamna only 839 rupees da sumaina saba me kano se ko DIY craft se aigi wakhanda di yam thina nungai je sumaina microscope kumba haise microscope haise mi khudimana leiba ngamde aduga science ke satra khudimak ti khambirangani microscope ayambana aigi friend circle dasu microscope pamba mi myam ama yawe ko ado kaino moigi damakta su aina sigise kaino tawjabane sajabane ado ngasi bawde smartivity gi aina unboxing tawgiba sagiba sana pot khudimak loina mak mai pakhi loina mak yakhi ado sigisi su mai pakani phajana magi performance phajana pirakani haiba gi asada ai ngasi hujik unboxing tawba haujarage mayam yengminarsi aduga sigi maning sida haije plastic lens yawe haye ani aduga instruction box ama yaurani manual box adigi mai gi hana gi dumaina loose part khara yawe haye aduga battery operator amchi yawe haye magi light source to pinaba odo mayam unboxing tawrasi aduga yengminarsi kai kai yawge
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then
Shigi fiisida sabako. Shigi fiisida yeng si fiisi sina yengu matamda kamaina si microscope se kamai ukedo ai side ucharamge ko yembiyo ba pura mai manungi thread to uba phange ba si microscope machalina haidi atopa mayam jo khoi experiment or yingjar ke ba si sina kari atopa yeng ya ge lo adu si madi pura success ore fi amadi pura mai manungi thread bo u phange ko adu si danga jana yeng ki ko yes Shigi fish na ko lang ji chong ni ba ko no ado mayam aina hojik aina yengkhiba hojikki fi ani dogi kaino do uchagre ado mayam su comment ta haibiro comment tauge na ado haidi sigi sana poje ko haidi angang class 5 6 tagi adum hauraga adum साबजु हैगनी मोइदा दुगा दुम ये सुमाइना एक्सपेरिमेंट तोहनबसु यागनी बा अदुना पेरेंट्स सेंगना साना पोलेबी के हाइ तारगदी सिगुम्बा साना पोचो एना लेरगा साना हलो अंगांगदा मोइदुजु हेना कनो ओगनी हेना ब्रेन जु फगतकनी अदुगा हेना आइडिया नो नोबसु म्याम लाकनी अदुगा मोइदा हाइदी microscope हाइबजे करिनो हाइबसिगी आइडिया जे मोइना हौजिकतगे हौरनीबा अदो खंगबसे अदुगा हाइदी यामना तांगबा पोचु नतबनिना आइना खंबदा अदुम अयामबना अदुम एफोर्ट तोबा ngamgadra haina khale ai isana su saraga su utle aduga yai yade habadu uchagrabani na mayam su chingnabagi kaisu darkar leitre sungsoi soidana saba bu phajana niyom chumna saba haibi taragadi sungsoi soidana work tawgani ado aigi review oina di yam thina phai leibiyo mayam su aduga angang hingda su sana halo aduga apamba haidi sum microscope pamjaba mi singna sum mogi yumda decoration oina thamna ba adum laira su yai adum leibiyo aisu thammine ado aigi video se nungai bi taragadi like share and subscribe to ba kaubiram gono mayam sumain to ba nungai ba video mayam pujarake. Thank you so much for today. See you again.